Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, the Declaration on the Right to Development states that the right to development is an inalienable human right by virtue of which every human person and all the peoples are entitled to participate in, contribute to, and enjoy economic, social, cultural, and political development, in which all human rights and fundamental freedoms can be fully realized. A rights-based approach to development is a conceptual framework for the process of human development that is normatively based on the international human rights standards and operationally directed to promoting and protecting human rights. The norms and standards are those contained in the wealth of international treaties and declarations, the principles including equality, accountability, empowerment, and participation. Civil and political rights, including right to development, can best be ensured through sound administration of justice, rule of law, and democracy. Governments are therefore obliged to create conditions which ensure fair and accountable administrative and legal institutions at all levels based on premises of rule of law and non-discrimination. Despite all committed efforts by the international human rights community, people in many parts of the world continue to face denial of their basic rights and oppression. The people of Jammu and Kashmir, under the occupation of Indian Army, are denied of their basic rights, including right to development. Democracy is an essential requirement for creating just conditions for the realization of people's rights. But, Mr. Chairperson, the occupiers and so-called Democrats use the grab and slogan of democracy to continue their rule through persistent denial of all rights. The principle of equality, accountability, empowerment, and participation is far from the life of people of Jammu and Kashmir. Most of laws imposed by the India in Jammu and Kashmir are cruel and contradict to the norms of social societies and rule of law and justice. Instead of giving power to people, improve their capacities, and to improve their communities, the world's largest democracy locks up leaders without charge, shoots peaceful demonstrators to death, and beats ordinary citizens and raids homes without warrant. Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you, Madam.